Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. What even is a turn lane when you really think about it? Now that's a nice rainbow. It's his road, actually. We're just driving on it. This driver just blew past the red light. Watch the car in the middle lane. This driver needs to slow down. The day my girlfriend made her own entrance into a Walgreens.
An ice bomb. Look at it. Wow, that's 4.4 and 2,000 reviews.
Looks like someone was in hurry.
A few moments later.
Is this a movie scene or something? Stop cutting so early when turning. Can we consider this road rage?
Am I supposed to let this go? Yeah, back the
Go.
Oh yeah, hit the bicyclist. Nice one.
If you hit him.
I have a camera, so they want to hit you.
Why the trying to talk to me right now?
Sometimes we are on rush. We have someone sick at home, right?
Right, but you're honking the car for no reason. She's trying to learn, and you have no clue what's going on, and you're being aggressive.
On back, so shut.
Okay?
You're
And
clearly in a rush, dude. You're clearly in a rush.
Can we consider this road rage? This is the worst display of douchebaggery I have ever seen on the road. Almost got T-boned by an idiot speeding out of a parking lot. Be careful in cities. That's all I'm going to say here.
One eternity later.
My impatience nearly cost me today.
Yo, what's going on here? What
This driver really don't want to miss that exit. What is going on inside their head? At least they used their turn signal. I don't know where the white car came from. No sign of it in the 10 seconds prior. Looking like merging is not allowed.
Twenty minutes later.
the fuck is wrong with you?
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.